Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install resource packs for Minecraft Java Edition for any version of the game. And so I currently have this resource pack called Saltax Fanware. If you want to download this, I'll leave the link for it in the description down below. But anyway, so without further ado, now let's get started. And firstly, what you'll need to do is go ahead and install your texture pack from whatever website you use, Minecraft 9 or CurseForge, it doesn't really matter. And once you guys have downloaded the resource pack, basically it will be over here, and it's going to be by default resource packs in Minecraft Java Edition are going to be zip. And so basically all you have to do, all right, is go ahead and click on Windows plus R key. This is really important, and then type in percentage app data percentage, and then go ahead and click on enter. And then what it's going to do is load up this, all right. And then what you need to do is navigate to .minecraft file and then double click on it. And then what you're going to do is scroll a bit down till you see resource packs, not resources, but resource packs. Double click on it. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and drag this and place it over here. And yeah, now what you can do is go ahead and open up the Minecraft Java Edition launcher. And now once you guys are in the Minecraft launcher, just select whichever version that you would like to play. Now, unlike mods, you do not require any particular version. So say if a mod is for 1.14.4, then you'll have to play in the installation of 1.14.4. But that's not the case for resource packs. So you can just download a resource pack and play it in say 1.8 if you would prefer that. It doesn't really matter. And so for this video, I'm just going to head into the latest release because that's just more convenient. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and hit on play. And now that Minecraft has loaded up, what you're going to do, so you're not going to get the resource pack just like that. What you're going to do is go ahead and head into options and then head into resource packs, and then you'll find it over here. So as you guys can see, made for an older version of Minecraft. So this is incompatible. So always check if it is compatible or not. So some texture packs may not be compatible. Now I know what I said, that resource packs do not really require it, but some resource packs do. But for the majority, you do not require any particular version. They'll work with just any version. It doesn't really matter. But there are a few exceptions because, you know, if it's usually like 1.16x or stuff like that. So if it says like a 256x, that basically means it works for a particular version of the game. But for the most part, whichever texture pack or resource pack that you choose, you'll have no issues running it in any Minecraft version whatsoever. And so basically what you need to do over here is go ahead and hover over it and then go ahead and click on this. And now what you're going to do is go ahead and click on done. And now it's just going to load this up once again. All right, so as you guys can see, so it has loaded, and this is the resource pack / texture pack. And now if you want to disable it, so say if you do not like it or you just want to disable it for the heck of it, what you can do is head back into options, head back into resource packs, and then go ahead and click on this arrow over here once you hover over the texture pack file, and then you can place it back. For this video, I'm not going to do it because, you know, it takes a few seconds again. And yeah, so this is basically how you install resource packs for Minecraft Java Edition. Now this works for any version. And if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I'll see you guys over there. Now, goodbye.